grinding off these legs?
Yeah, but
Oh, you're heading out?
yeah.
Okay,
I
it's all good.
don't want to go stinking of grinding.
No, it's okay. I'll just see what I can. I might do what the Bosco trick. Are they the?
They're yours.
Did you
But I
get
swapped-
me some sauce?
I swapped it. It's brand new. I used it like twice, so
Thank
I
you.
claimed the newest new one.
Yeah, for
That
sure.
was a kit. So
Oh, thank you.
um,
That's alright. I'll just do the hammery thing. Because you know how Bosco said you just hammer it and then it twists them if it's all rusted.
yeah, but there'd be screws on. There's bolts underneath.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, it's bolt through. They always do it.
So it's a two-man job.
Yeah, you just got to grind a flap of the heads off.
Is that alright? Can I just do that?
Yeah, just be mindful that it's all very much burnable.
Right. So should I cut the carpet out first?
Mm.
What's my options here? No, if you can't do it, I got no chance. Well, that's not working. Right, we're having a lot of trouble getting the bolts on the ground out. They've got a flat screwdriver piece. So Scott said to just try to drill them out and see if that works. So I'll give that a go. I don't like using the actual grinding disc on the grinder, so I'm just going to use the flapper disc and see if I can just get the top of this head off. I don't really want to do much grinding in here because of all the flammable stuff, but I will just see how I go with taking the top of this off, because whatever it's attached to at the back, it's not coming out. So that took way longer than I thought it would. I'm gonna go and make a coffee and then get some gloves on. I'll try to get this carpet up next. This is the kind of grossest part of the caravan as far as I'm concerned. So I just wanna try and get rid of this. And then I feel like I'm a bit safer breathing in here. It's pretty gross and it still smells. It's not too smelly, but it definitely still smells like mold and rat wee. It's not pleasant. Is that where I took out the bed? No. They must have hit something underneath and sealed it with some silicone, because that's quite a big impact. I know I should be wearing a mask. I ran out of masks, so I really need to buy some more. Sorry, Mum. I am very quickly losing motivation for this particular job. So I'm gonna go and have a coffee, get this piece out, and then keep going. This little piece here is actually about that long and it goes all the way under. So I'll have to bring in something to chock up this little round section and try to jimmy that out. But I need something to snack on first. I went into town for a little while and I bought myself some more face masks. Just while I'm sweeping up the rat wee and poo, and it's just kind of, the dust is really disgusting. Good timing.
Maybe for the bed.
Well, I tried to take off the guard cover and I just can't do it. And then I put it back on and obviously I had it on the wrong angle. Can you just take that off? I've got a heap of staples I'd have to take out and I'm not really...
The floor's in good nick.
Yeah, I just can't really get a flat surface. I did that. Oh, how did you get that thing off?
No, just sit there. Unboxing.
I couldn't take it off. Oh, it just sits on it. I was trying to turn it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, just locks into the key.
Okay. Oh, just straight up and down. Oh my gosh, no wonder it didn't turn.
So seats.
Yeah, okay, I'm an idiot. That's why I keep ya, because I'm an idiot. I think if I just keep letting this marinate for a while, it should come up pretty quickly. I will need to get a paint scraper because this is going to take too long. I trust it will be extremely boring, so I'll just show you the end result. I've been working on the floor since about 6 this morning. I think it's 8 o'clock now. Today's going to be really hot, so I want to get as much of this done as I can. I still need to get the ceiling off. I've been working on the floor throughout the week, just whenever I can, most afternoons after work. I'm probably at about 5 or 6 hours of just scraping all of this stuff off. And I find that if I keep it wet just with the hose, it helps to sort of soften the paper and the glue. I do need to make the effort to get it off because this is where most of the smell is. There was quite a lot of cracks in the vinyl and I just feel like it's just covered in years and years of rat wee and rat poo. So I don't mind making the effort. I just want to get as much of this stuff done before it gets too hot today. There's another spider. Ooh, it's a big one. Oh, man. I've got another huntsman in the ceiling that's crawling around. And there is no way that I'm going to comfortably take this down knowing that it's probably going to jump on me. So I'm going to find Scott and see if he can help me. And I'll just put him on this side because, I don't know, he won't mind. He won't mind. You're on the huntsman side. I know he's not going to hurt me, but I don't want him jumping on me. He went that way. I went like this and he went blah, 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 and I'm not interested in having a conversation with him by myself. So if you want to manhandle that down.
There is a leg there.
Can you see his leg?
No, there is a leg.
Oh, did I hurt his leg?
No, it looks like a...
Okay, now this one's definitely juicy and alive. I mean, he could be all the way down now. Yeah, but these things need to be re-riveted to the ceiling.
They never were.
Oh, there he is. Whoa, he's massive.
Oh, he's not too big.
He's bigger than the last one. No, don't go up in the bloody spaces. Thank you. Did he fall? No. They're not going to get hurt. Oh, now I'm in spider zone. Damn it. Oh, God, it's sticking in my hair. It's spider zone. That's annoying. I reckon this is just one sheet all the way through. I might need to cut it across. Let's see how we go. Alright, I'm going to grind it. I think that's my best bet. I hate using the grinding disc, but I don't know how I'm going to get this off. And it's not metal, so I feel maybe a bit safer. I'm going to try to cut the screws here and here and there and see if I can sort of leverage the wall away, and then hopefully I can reuse it, because this would be perfect like here, not here. I have a little broken hacksaw that I used on the last caravan when I made all of the window frames. The end bit broke off, but this fits in the wall space, and I might be able to just cut the screws with this. Ooh, this might work. Or not. don't know if there's any nails in here. And I don't want it to do the flicky thing. So I'm all finished the inside for the most part. I still need to rip out all of the wiring. So for anyone concerned that I'm like hosing everything like a crazy person, it was fun, by the way, but this will all come out and be replaced. If we do reuse anything, it will be quite a while into the future, and I'm sure it will be dry. If it's not safe, I'm not gonna do it. My next job will be getting the outside nice and clean. I'll then figure out what holes need to be filled and any damage to make this completely watertight. But it doesn't smell. It smells perfectly fine. I've been checking in on it and it doesn't smell anymore. So that's really good. Now for anyone who thinks that I just hate rats, it's actually not the case. We have 2 pet rats and they are just delightful. And because they do not marinate in 20-year-old rat wee, they actually smell quite nice. Although I'm sure Scott would disagree. But they're lovely and sweet, and I actually am quite fond of most animals, just not the ones that were in this particular caravan. So I will see you hopefully in a few weeks. If not, have a lovely Christmas, and I'll see you shortly after that.